Hello, welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. Hope you are doing great. In this video, I'm going to share the significance of the Avla Ekadashi. What is written about Avla Ekadashi fasting in our Shastra, what all thing that you need to take care of, and how you should do the fasting on this day. As per our Shastra, if a person is doing the fasting on Avla Ekadashi, this is equivalent to donating, the karma will be equivalent to donating 100 cows. Not only this, if the person is doing the fasting on this day, that is a Nirjala fasting on this day, then the person will be blessed with a happy married life, happy children, as well as good career and finances wise too. What you should do on this day and how you should do the fasting in brief, I'm going to explain you the same. If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. So first thing that you need to take care of, that Avla Ekadashi fasting has given lot of importance in our Shastra. As I already told you that if you are doing the fasting on this day, this is the karma will be equivalent to donating of 100 cows. So how you should do the fasting on this day? The best way, if you want a happy, blissful married life, good career, healthy life, in that case, try to do the fasting as a Nirjala fasting. Nirjala fasting means that avoid eating anything and avoid having water on this day. You have to just do the Naam Jap on this day. Keep on chanting Radhe, 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 Radhe throughout the day and avoid eating or drinking on this day. This is the best way of doing the fasting on this day. If you are doing a fasting on this day in such a way, then you will be blessed with a happy married life, good career, as well as your life as well as you will be able to overcome the past life karmic blockages also from your life. Along with this, what you should do on this day, donation has given lot of importance on this day. Avla fruit has given lot of importance on this day. If you pray to Avla plant, or if you donate Avla plant, or if you add the Avla juice in your bathing water, this will be going to help you out to remove the karmic blockages. So what you have to do, take a sankalp that you are doing a fasting on this day, put your wish in front of the universe. This is your purpose of doing this fasting. So you can do the fasting just on water, or avoid eating anything, avoid water also on this day. If you can't do only on water or avoid eating anything, in that case you can have fruits on this day, but avoid eating the watermelon and banana on this day. In any case, if you can't do fasting only on fruits because of some health reason, in that case you can eat food related to the vrat like kotu ka atta. You can eat potatoes on this day, and other items related to the vrat you can eat on this day. In such a way, you have to take the sankalp. So one, you have to take the sankalp that you are doing the fasting, and that you should be clear in your mind that what is the purpose of you doing the fasting on this day. Then make sure that you are donating avla on this day. You can donate the avla fruit on this day. You can donate to any needy, or you can donate to a nearby temple. You can offer the same to Lord Krishna or Lord Vishnu, putting your wish in front of him. As well as, what you have to do is that you have to add the avla juice in your bathing water. This will help you out to remove the past life karmic blockages from your life, so that you will be blessed with a happy Avla Ekadashi. First, that whenever you are doing the fasting on this day, then you have to make sure that you are not offering water to Tulsi plant on this day. You have to light up a ghee lamp near the Tulsi plant and make a wish. For people who are looking to attract the right partner and they're facing the problem, then this day is best to do the fasting. Try to do the Nirjala fasting, light up a lamp near the Tulsi plant, sitting near the Tulsi plant, or in your home temple, or in any temple, you can sit and listen to Vishnu Sahasranam on this day. Wear yellow color clothes and make a wish. There is a high possibility your wish will be fulfilled soon with the blessing of Lord Krishna. What you have to do on this day is that, when if possible, if you have a avla plant at your home or nearby your home, then try to offer water to avla plant, try to offer kumkum to avla plant, try to offer flowers to avla plant, and if possible, then you should do the parikrama of avla plant at least 50 times. This will be going to help you out to remove the karmic blockages. If you don't have a amla plant nearby, in that case you can find a avla fruit. You can pray to the avla fruit also on this day. You can offer kumkum, you can offer rice, you can offer fruit, you can offer flowers to avla fruit, and then make a wish and pray. This will be going to help you out This will be going to help you out to remove your karmic blockages and make a wish. Then the energies will be very high. You will be, your wish will be fulfilled soon. Two things that you need to take care on this day is that avoid sleeping in the daytime, and if possible, then the ekadashi has on ekadashi nights are very important. Then for at least 1 hour after 11 p.m. you should chant Radhe Radhe. Keep a timer for 24 minutes, close your eyes and keep on chanting Radhe 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 Radhe. This will be going to help you out to remove the karmic blockages. Few things that you need to take care on this day if you are doing fasting on the Avla Ekadashi. First, that wake up early in the morning before the sunrise, offer water to the sun, add yellow flour or haldi in it. Along with this, you have to be sattvic whole day. Sattvic whole day means that you do your normal activities, but make sure that you keep on chanting Radhe Radhe in your mind. As much as you do Goddess Radha chanting on this day, this will be going to help you out to remove the karmic blockages. Means whatever your life is on the basis of your karma. Whatever you have done in the past life, whatever you are doing in this life, on the basis of that only you are getting the result. That is the reason this fasting has given lot of importance, because it is your karma and it will go through you only. So make sure if you are doing fasting on this day, then thoughts wise also, mind wise also, you need to be very positive and you need to be very sattvic on this day. Avoid anger, aggression, gossips on this day, and just try to connect to the universe and keep on chanting Radhe Radhe. If you find this information relevant, then make sure you're sharing this information with your loved one. Insist them also to do the fasting on this day so that you can help them to overcome their karmic blockages.